is what we call the reflective mirror. It reveals to you, as you're acting on your excitement, a belief that you may be harboring that is out of alignment with your excitement. And therefore discovering something within you, and even for the moment feeling something within you that is out of alignment with your excitement, is not an interruption in your excitement. It's part of your excitement to discover those things. That's how you need to look at it in order to get the benefit of the experience. Otherwise, if you find that you're skipping along, having fun, following your passion, and suddenly, bang, that negative fear-based belief comes up, and if you define it as an interruption or a block, of course, that's how you'll experience it. But if you go, aha, the reflective mirror shows me something I need to know so that I can understand myself more clearly, and I can find out what that belief is and why I would hold on to something that I know doesn't serve me, and let it go so I can add that energy, that momentum to my joy. Thank you, fear-based belief, for bringing it to my attention. For fear is the messenger knocking at your door to tell you something's out of alignment. The sooner you pay attention, the sooner the fear goes away. And now you become curious, investigating. Oh, what could it be? I wonder what it is. Let me find out. Let me dig deep. Let me discover more of myself. Let me streamline and let go of that which is no longer relevant for me so I can become more of myself. Thank you, fear. The more you ignore it, the louder the knocking gets, the stronger the fear becomes, because you're not using it up, and therefore it has nowhere to go but to bounce back in an amplified way until you pay attention